Welcome to Splash Mountain.
All right, we were the first ones in. We're going to go ahead and grab a locker. First one's on one of the sides. All right, we're back for day 2. We learned a little trick. We came on an overcast day with forecast of rain, and there was no lines anywhere on any slide yesterday. So pretty cool as opposed to a hot day whenever it's packed. And then you also burn your feet walking up and down the concrete. So we got a free rain pass to come back again today. So pretty cool. Bye-bye.